We are at the Rio in Las Vegas for the International Cat Association Jazzy Cats Show. Wow, look at all these solutions as to how to house and carry your cats. People who have professional cats for shows like this indeed need to carry their cats around. I'm a dog person, so this is all new to me. Remember all those exercise devices you bought and never used? Well, I'm sure that these, when purchased, would be well used by your family cat. Cat shows aren't always exciting, I suppose. So how important is this show to you?
It's a very important show because it's the biggest show of the year, where we have people from Europe, Asia, South America, all over the North America come to compete. So you have the best cats in the world.
Okay, now this whole group here, these are friends.
Yes.
These are breeders of
Highlanders.
Highlanders.
We have curled ears and a naturally short tail.
Okay, and you said that a well-bred Highlander might go for as much as $1,000?
Yeah, but it depends on the cat and the cattery.
Okay, and all of you are friends, but you compete against each other.
Because it's a lot of fun.
Okay, well, welcome to Las Vegas, and thanks for talking with me.
Sure.
Hello there, handsome.
This one her name is Stonehaven's I'm Your Huckleberry.
Say that again.
Her name is Stonehaven's I'm Your Huckleberry.
And for short?
We call her Huckleberry.
Okay, oh, I got a great picture of her face. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This lady is holding a gorgeous cat, and she says it is a Bengal. So are you competing?
Yes.
Later or earlier or?
We're waiting to go in this ring here.
Okay. And the cat is how old?
She's 1 year.
Is this a valuable cat? I hate to ask because I just don't know.
Yeah, she is used in our breeding program.
Okay, and so if someone wants one of your purebred Bengal cats, what are the prices?
It depends on the person. Ours go for about $1,800.
Holy cow, did I pick out the right cat here? Well, you're gorgeous. And the name of the cat is?
Her name is Aurora.
Oh my goodness. One of the people who worked for me was named Aurora, so I will never forget. Thank you very much.
A lot of the judges here love cats so much they tolerate the fact that they are allergic to cats.
Oh my goodness. And you all said you are?
I'm allergic as well.
So what do you do? Do you take pills or
I'm
what?
on antihistamines 365 days a year.
Aww.
I take an over-the-counter antihistamine every morning.
I have a family who, because they live with cats for such a long time, their symptoms aren't as bad. So they don't need to take...
Okay, well, it's not anything awful. It's like itching and sneezing.
Itchy nose, itchy eyes, a little bit of congestion.
But the pills kind of take care of it? I'll be darned.
Yeah,
Well,
I'm on a pill and a nasal spray because I also...
So if you are allergic but you want cats, keep the cat bathed like once a week, and you can get them used to bathing. And Highlanders like water.
Okay, well, what's this little Highlander's name?
This little guy is Gannon.
Is he young?
He is. He's only 6 months old.
Oh, he's beautiful. What kind of cat is this?
Himalayan.
Himalayan, and he or she is competing right now.
Ring 8 is ready for 463 and 464. 463 and 464 to ring 8. Second.
500 different breeds are here. Look at the lineup. And the place smells very sweet, as these cats are well taken care of. This is a Japanese bobcat.
And there's two types. There's long hair and there's short hair.
Huh.
But that's a long hair.
Okay.
Ring 13 is ready for numbers 1 through 18.
My
1
neighbor
through
says this
18
is a
to ring
bicolor
13
ragdoll cat.
please.
Where are you from?
South Korea.
Did you come all the way to this show from South Korea? Holy cow, wonderful. Welcome to Las Vegas.
Thank you.
And is this kind of cat popular?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's very popular.
And
Yeah.
what is the cat's name?
Poker face.
Poker face. That I understand.
Yeah.
That I understand. And is this a girl or a boy?
Boy.
Female?
Boy.
Male.
Boy.
Male.
Yeah.
Okay. And you and Poker Face flew all the way from South Korea.
Yeah.
Do you breed cats?
Yes.
You do. Okay, well, welcome to Las Vegas,
Ring
and
11
thank you
is
for
ready to
talking
have
with
number
me.
413 pick up.
Ooh, you have quite the stare. What kind of cat is
This
this?
is a Ragdoll.
Oh, this is a
This is
ragdoll.
a seal torty point mitted Ragdoll.
Okay. You know, I had never heard of that breed because I'm a dog person, not a cat person. Are these expensive to buy?
Andrews is here at the announcing station. There are some issues with the route.
I think they might be pretty average with a lot of the
following.
Well,
breeds, but they're probably going for about
Sorry,
anywhere
at the
from
raffle
1,000 up to
table. So we need to see
1,500.
you
Oh my
at the
goodness.
raffle table. We'll be
Now,
on
a woman over there told me ragdolls were
411.
very affectionate,
236.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, they're very
99.
and
Mr.
this is
Gadget.
a male or female?
This is a female.
This is a female, and her name is
551.
Yasmin.
Please proceed
Yasmin.
to the raffle
Yasmin.
table.
And where does she live normally?
We're up in Canada.
Oh, you came from
Yeah,
Canada.
we did.
Oh, okay.
Regina, Saskatchewan, Canada.
Did you fly or drive?
We flew.
You flew.
Me and my husband
is ready for
both
number
brought
118.
one of the kitties.
118 to ring 12.
We have a blue
Ring
point
11
bicolor
is
as
ready
well,
for
so
numbers
we each had one underneath our
476
seats.
through
Okay, well,
483.
welcome to Las Vegas.
That's a
Hope you
second
enjoyed
call.
your time
Thank
here.
you.
These fancy
The main
cages.
event, November 9 and 10 in Olympia.
Cat
Ring 8
fanciers
would like
come to
the
shows
honors of
and
number
they
415
want to look good and they want their
423
cats to look good.
415 and 423 pick up in ring 8.
We got a stuffed cat on top of a real cat. Hello, hello, hello. Not
Sphynx
interested.
is thrilled to be hosting a show under the Space Needle. 118. 118.
How much does the cat weigh?
I think he's about 16 now.
Oh,
Based on our lines, I think he'll be a good 20. to
what
22.
kind of cat is it?
Maine Coon.
Oh, it's a Maine Coon.
He's 12
Okay.
months old.
And it'll get even bigger, huh?
Oh yeah. And harder to handle.
He's something else.
All around.
Well,
How long he just stays there.
wake up.
He loves women. He's surrounded by women.
Ham bone.
That's right. Like his father and his grandfather.
Yes, you can walk your cat.
Lead the way or what?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Your Bengals lead the way? Yeah, absolutely.
If I turn around and sometimes go the other way, they sit down.
Third and final. 320, you were also third.
I don't know whether she's talking about how she judges or she's giving a lecture. There's a row of very interested people. Tell me your name, because I was told come over here because you're an experienced breeder.
Hi, I'm Dana Pendergraph of Blossom Ragdolls in Dallas, Texas.
Okay, a Texas lady. Well, you didn't come as far as some
The
folks.
second call.
Now,
number 321.
tell me about ragdolls. Have they always been a breed? I just am unfamiliar with that.
356
They're a rather new breed, a man-made breed, started in the 60s in California with a lady named Ann Baker. They are made from what we call street cats.
Ah.
And went from there.
And so one other woman told me they're very affectionate.
That's what they're famous for. That's why they're called the Ragdoll, called the Puppy Kitty. They're so sweet and social. They're social like a dog.
Ring 6 has a second call on 301
They
and
just love to meet with
302.
you and sit in your lap or
301
sit
and
next to you
302.
and just are a little
Second
more
call
social
to
than
ring 6.
some other breeds of
Ring
cats.
6 is
They like to be
also
with
looking
you.
for
Okay, now I was looking at the judges judging some. Now, are they judging fur color, or are they feeling the way the cat is built, or all of the above?
Yes, all the above.
Okay, because I know on dogs it seems they're feeling for conformation, and
They're doing that
Ring
with the cats.
14 is ready for number 413
They are judging
through
each breed of
429.
cat according to a written
413
standard.
through
Okay, they do that with
429.
dogs,
To
too.
ring
That's right.
14, please.
so you breed ragdolls. What are the prices of the little kittens that you sell? I mean, from what
prices,
to
you
what?
said?
Yeah, I mean, what?
It really varies on area. Kind of is what sets the price, the market price.
Okay.
In a certain area.
Ring 9 is ready
In
for
my
number
area, they're
52 through
$1,500 a piece,
56.
and that's a pet.
52 through
And that's a
56
pet.
to ring 9.
A show from.
They're beautiful quality.
Ring
They're spayed
12
and
is
neutered.
ready for
Health
122
guaranteed.
through 132.
Really high quality in every way.
122
Vaccinated.
through 132 to ring 12.
A lot of
Ring 12 has
socialization.
a
It takes a
third
lot of
and
time.
final call on number 118.
Oh my goodness!
For the breeder.
118, you're
How
about
long
to be
do
marked
these
absent.
cats
Please
typically
proceed
live?
immediately.
Into their
Ragdolls
teens,
into their teens.
anywhere from early teens to late teens.
Well, if I could live to 120,
Ring 11
I'd
is
buy
number
one from you.
483
Thank you for
through
talking with me.
492.
Another bit of information about ragdolls.
Ragdolls are hypoallergenic. They don't have the enzyme in your saliva, and that's what people are allergic to, is the enzyme. They're not allergic to the hair, they're not allergic to the dander, they're allergic to the saliva.
I'll be darned. So if I could live another 30 years, I could have one of these beautiful
Right, and
animals.
This lifespan's 18 to 22 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Where are you from?
I'm from Sacramento, California.
And this is Vicky.
Yes.
Vicky from Sacramento. Well, you didn't have as far to come as some.
Yeah.
But you've been here all 3 days.
Yes, ma'am.
Had a good time?
Had a fabulous time. Made new friends and everything. So I'm a happy camper.
And she has cat ears, by the way. Not every...
Green hair.
And, well, that's true, too. She has a good time. Thank you, Vicky.
Thank you.
What kind of cat is this?
Scottish Fold.
Pardon me?
Scottish Fold.
Scotch.
Fold.
Ring 5 is ready for number 226 through
Scottish Fold. Yeah.
The colors look so different. I mean, the striping.
Yeah. Silver.
Woo. Wow.
Hey.
Nah, there we go. There we go. We got a good headshot here.
And 2019.
And who are you? Who are you?
It's a Toy Bob Alistair.
A Toy Bob Alistair. Well,
Yeah, really, really short tail. 1 to 3 vertebrae.
and curious.
He likes to eat. He loves tummy rubs.
So do I.
Twiners are very, very friendly. They love to cuddle. They love to play.
Ring 9 would like to see numbers 66 through 73. 66 through 73 to ring 9.
Really soft, oh my god, honey.
Advanced
What kind of cats are these?
These are toy tigers.
Toy tiger, but it was a toy. 551.
Toy tigers.
Yeah, of course. Come this way.
Ring 14 is ready
Are they?
for
Is this an adult?
No, this is a kitten.
Okay. I was
Probably
gonna-
about
488, 491, 492 to
Okay. Do they end up being small? Is that why
They'll be
they?
about a medium-sized house cat.
Oh, okay.
I would say like a standard cat. Yeah. Judy didn't want it to be
Ring
real
1,
big.
a second call. for
Beautiful,
numbers 244
beautiful. Oh, you want to get down and out and
You are second call to ring 1.
You are a hairless something.
A Sphynx.
Sphinx.
Yeah.
Well,
Baby.
hi, hi, hi.
Here.
You look naked. Are they affectionate
Oh
or?
my gosh, very much so.
Yeah.
Yeah. They They pick their people.
Ring 1 has issued
And they
a
want to be
third
with
and
them all the
final
time
call
and know where they
on a
are all the
sharp shoulder,
time.
250. Number 250
Love to play.
leads to ring 1. You're about to be marked.
Very affectionate.
Ring 12.
Really?
Sleep with you.
Cute.
Want to be in your lap when you're watching TV.
You are
I tell you, animals do the most wonderful things. They give us lots of love.
They do.
7 through 152, 147 through 150.
The man asking the questions here has a British accent, so I don't know whether this is international television or just a man with a British accent.
Ring 1 is a third and final call for 224. 224 is third and final and about to be marked as in ring 1. Ring 1 is also ready for
A Maine Coon,
Polydactyl.
polydactyl, which means
He has extra toes. See how big his feet are?
Ring 9 is a third and final.
is that a thing or
It's a natural thing for Maine Coons.
it is, and so they can compete?
Yes, they can in TICA.
I'll be darned. Boy, the things I learned coming to a show like this. And the cat's name is?
His name is Yeti.
Yeti. Okay. And you are wondering how the cats did their business, but this cage is self-explanatory. This is an American short hair taking a nap, and we look over here and we have feline pine. The cat just looked up to see what was going on and said, don't bother, and went back to sleep.
Stephen, look at this. Look at this.
423.
A Miller scrap.
No, really. This cat is awesome.
472 and 474. 472.
Look at this cat, Steve.
429. 472.
Yes.
Yeah, he's a neuter boy. He's neuter
His name's Tommy. I couldn't vaccinate him.
314.
Same thing as me.
Tommy Lee.
Let me sit down.
I'm up for adoption.
She's taking a picture.
Yes, look at this face. Hello there. You're young and beautiful. What kind of cat?
Ask her.
They're just domestic short hair cats.
We have a cat that's his clone. Oh my God, look at this. Do you think the other one? You think they'll like him? Yeah, he's the clone. Oh my God.
This is the sign on the other side of the aisle where adoptable cats can be held and decided upon. This is Linda Parsons from Oregon. She came all the way from Oregon to this show, and she has some beautiful, looks like cat beds and tents and pads. And I said, do you have a store? And she said,
I have a 40-hour-a-week full-time job besides this job. So
this is a sideline, and do you make all these items?
I do. I make all of them. I have an embroidery machine that does the embroidery on them, and then I sew them together.
And so people have one-of-a-kind items that you make. And how has this show been for you?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah. Taken some orders and sold a lot of tents.
And met a lot of people?
A lot of people, yes.
Okay. Well, welcome to Las Vegas from Oregon. Your items are beautiful.
Thank you very
This
much.
vase is part of pajamas, and pajamas kind of indicate time to relax, and so I'm going to leave the cat show. I'm sure I could learn hundreds more things if I hung around, but I'm not. I'm due somewhere else, and so I'm leaving. Loved being at this show. It is quite something, and I'll be back again if invited.